want to make some pancakes and I have some eggs. So is it positive or negative? It is positive because I can make the pancakes. Why? Because I have some eggs. Do I say how many eggs I have? No, I just have some eggs. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. Egg. Is it countable or uncountable? Can we say 1 egg, 2 eggs? Yes. So egg is countable noun. We know that we can use some in positive sentences with countable nouns. But let's try to make this sentence in negative form. I want to make some pancakes, but I don't have any eggs. What did I use instead of some? I used any. Does it mean that in negative sentence we use any instead of some? Yes. Does it mean that any can be used with countable nouns? Eggs. Yes. Very good. For now, we know that some we use in positive sentences with countable nouns, and we do not say how many we have. Any we use in negative sentences with countable nouns. Listen to me carefully. I need to write an article, but I don't have any information. Again, do we have positive sentence or negative? We have negative. Why? Because we have not and because we have any. Information, is it a noun? Yes, it is. But is it countable or uncountable? Can we say 1 information, 2 informations, 3 informations? No. Information is always uncountable. We cannot say even many information. We always say much information. Let's make this sentence in positive form. I need to write an article and I have some information. What did we use here? We used some. Information. Countable and uncountable again? Of course it is uncountable because we know already. From today's video, we have learned that some can be used in positive sentences with countable and uncountable nouns. When we do not say the exact amount of things which we have. Any we use in negative sentences, again with countable and uncountable nouns. Again, we do not have exact number.